In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Creality Cloud 3D printing. This is an essential first step for anyone looking to streamline their 3D printing process. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device or the App Store if you are on an iPhone or iPad. You will see a familiar interface with a search bar at the top. This is where you can find a wide range of applications available for download. Make sure you are connected to the internet, as this is crucial for accessing the App Store. Once you are in the right store, you can proceed to the next step. Now, in the search bar, type Creality Cloud /us 3D printing. As you type, suggestions may pop up. You want to ensure you select the correct app. This is important because there are many similar applications, and you want the one developed by Creality. This particular app is designed specifically for 3D printing, making it an essential tool for your printing needs. Next, verify that the app is published by Creality 3D HK Technology Limited. This is a vital step as it confirms that you are downloading the legitimate application. Many counterfeit apps can mimic popular applications. Ensuring you have the right publisher protects your device and your data. Once you confirm this, you can move on confidently to the next step. After that, tap Install if you're on Android or Get if you are using an iPhone or iPad. This action initiates the download process. You will see a progress bar indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. It's a straightforward step, but very important because it gets the application onto your device, allowing you to utilize all its features. If prompted, authenticate with your Google account on Android, or use Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple account password on iPhone/iPad. This authentication step is crucial for security. It ensures that only you can download and install apps on your device. Once you complete this action, the app will continue downloading. Now wait for the app to download and install. This may take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. Patience is key here, as this step lays the groundwork for all the features you will soon access. You will see a notification when the installation is complete, reassuring you that you are almost ready to use the app. Once the installation is complete, tap Open. This action will launch the Creality Cloud 3D printing app for the first time. You will be greeted by the app's interface, showcasing a variety of features. This is an exciting moment as it opens up a world of possibilities for your 3D printing projects. Finally, sign in with your Creality Cloud account or create a new one if you do not have an account yet. This step is important because having an account allows you to start browsing models, slicing files, and managing compatible 3D printers. If you create a new account, follow the prompts provided to complete the registration process. Note that Creality Cloud is free to download. It also provides access to a large library of 3D models, cloud slicing, remote printer management, and a community for sharing designs. If you need desktop software for preparing and sending prints from your computer, remember to download Creality Print from the official Creality Download Center instead. Now you are all set to explore the full potential of Creality Cloud. Enjoy your 3D printing journey.